And welcome to the new Christmas series that is going to run every day from now until Christmas Eve, and these are all going to be really short videos where I'm going to be unboxing my yarn advent calendar. So I know I did an announcement video a few weeks ago about me doing this, but just a really quick recap now. This is obviously a yarn advent calendar from Siobhan's Crafts. This isn't an advert or a paid promotion or anything like that. This is an advent calendar that I have purchased with my own money, and just thought that it would be a good thing for you to watch me unbox every day to see whether it's something that you might consider doing in future years, whether you think it's worth it, etc. So this box was around £45, and inside there are 24 hand-dyed mini skeins of yarn, which I'm very excited about. So you can see that I genuinely have not opened this yet, so I have literally no idea what is inside. So it has taken an enormous amount of willpower not to open this, even just to peek at the contents. Okay, so you're literally getting the first peek with me. So on the inside we have this little note here. So Siobhan's Crafts Yarn Advent Calendar 2019, and the theme this year is unicorn and mermaids. So a little mini candy cane to start off with. So here we go. So I'm literally just going to, I think I'll just tip this out, to be honest. There we are. So here we go. So I've got some very nice Christmassy unicorn wrapping paper, which is hilarious, I love it. So, I found number one already, so at least I know what I'm going to be opening in this video. So then we've got another 23 packages to open for the next few weeks. So I'm just going to pop them. I love this wrapping paper. How pretty is that? That one's so nice. Little scales. So I'm going to pop the other ones away for now, and we can look forward to those all the way to Christmas. I'm not entirely sure what I'm going to be using all of these little mini yarns for, but I have an idea in mind, but need to think about whether it will be a good idea or not as we go along, once I see the colours and things. So here we go, we'll open number one. So here we go, this is number one. Already I'm so glad that I've got this advent. So we've got this beautiful, absolutely beautiful actually, little mini one. These are really, really beautiful pastel shades. So let me just let you know, the yarn is 75% merino and 25% nylon. So it's not acrylic or anything. So it's very, very, very soft. And I chose to go for the DK yarn box. So all of the yarns that I have in here will all be DK. And I'm just going to hold this up a little closer. There we go. So you can see here now the colours in this one are amazing. And then as a little added bonus, there is a beautiful little unicorn person here. So I'm going to take a wild guess and say that I'm probably going to have this in my possession for maybe the next 30 seconds. and then once I go back in the other room and my daughter sees it, I can pretty much guarantee that she is going to claim this as her own. But that is an absolutely beautiful little extra gift. That's really nice to have in there. So that's beautiful. And so there you go. So that is day one of the Siobhan's Craft Advent Calendar. And as I say, we will unbox every single one of these mini skeins together from now until Christmas Eve, and I really do hope that you join me for the next 23 of them. But thanks as always for watching, and I will see you again tomorrow.